Deliciously moist berry good coffee cake recipe. Hello, lovely viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a delightful treat in store for you. A berry good coffee cake that's sure to make your taste buds dance with joy. It's perfect for breakfast or as an afternoon pick-me-up. So, let's get baking. For our berry good coffee cake, you'll need the following ingredients. Dry ingredients. 2 cups all-purpose flour. 1 teaspoon baking powder. 1/2 teaspoon baking soda. 1/4 teaspoon salt. Wet ingredients. 1/2 cup unsalted butter, softened. 1 cup granulated sugar. 2 large eggs. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. 1 cup sour cream. Berry mixture. 1½ cups mixed fresh berries, such as blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries. 2 tablespoons granulated sugar. 1 tablespoon all-purpose flour. First, let's prepare the cake batter. In a large mixing bowl, cream together the softened butter and sugar until light and fluffy. Then, add the eggs one at a time, beating well after each addition. Stir in the vanilla extract. Next, we'll combine the dry ingredients. Sift the all-purpose flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt into the wet mixture. Gently fold the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients until well combined. Now, let's create the delicious berry filling. In a separate bowl, mix the fresh berries, sugar, and flour until the berries are coated evenly. The sugar helps to enhance the berry flavors and thickens the mix. Free ebook. Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee. The adult alcohol. Worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius, and grease a 9 by 9 inch baking pan. Spread half of the cake batter evenly into the pan. Then, distribute the berry mixture over the batter, making sure it covers the entire surface. Finally, spoon the remaining cake batter over the berries and gently spread it out with a spatula. Pop the coffee cake into the preheated oven and bake for about 40-45 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. The aroma of fresh berries and warm cake will fill your kitchen, so irresistible. Once the cake is perfectly baked, remove it from the oven and let it cool in the pan for about 15 minutes. This will ensure it sets properly before you cut into it. Now comes the best part, serving and enjoying this berry good coffee cake. Slice it into generous pieces and savor every bite. It's delightful on its own, but a dollop of whipped cream or a scoop of vanilla ice cream takes it to the next level. There you have it, a simple and scrumptious berry good coffee cake recipe that's sure to impress your family and friends. Give it a try and let us know how it turned out in the comments below. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more delicious treats. Happy baking!
Introducing the Christmas candy cane and cocoa mug, the perfect companion for cozy winter nights. Sip on your favorite hot cocoa or tea from this festive mug adorned with red and green font, capturing the essence of Christmas. The ceramic craftsmanship ensures durability and heat retention, while the candy cane handle adds a touch of whimsy. Embrace the holiday spirit and indulge in your favorite warm beverages with this charming mug.